Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So levels are still very much the same as what I gave you yesterday. It was Martin Luther King Day yesterday in the US, so it was a public holiday. Markets were closed, futures was open, but futures didn't do anything yesterday. So we are hovering here on the 155 EMA of the 8 hour. This triangle is still in play. This level that we have here at 46.73 is also very much still in play. We come to the 3 hour, you'll see nothing really changed. We do have sort of not a grouping, but a potential crossing far apart of the oscillators, and that normally indicates a pretty violent move to the downside. So for me, we are still stuck in this triangle. I would expect if any move to the upside would be capped by the trend line, any move to the downside is going to be capped by the trend line. 4600 is still an area that needs to be retested, so that is possible. At the moment, nothing really materializing, so we still have this head and shoulders. So there's the shoulder, there's the head, shoulder, also double bottom here in play. But as I said to you yesterday, we need to break 46.73. I'd want to see a break and a retest of it, as well as a moving average crossover, before starting to look for anything to the upside on the hour. If we drill down to the 15-minute, which is probably what I would advise you to keep looking at today, you've got a little bit more structure here. So there is the bottom of the range, there's the top of the range. So basically, break of 46.62 would get you the opportunity to be short, stop above this area here of 46.73, and vice versa. Break of 46.73, stop below the range, but then you've got this double bottom or head and shoulders target to the upside. If it does break this to the downside, there is a bit of a magnet down here. There's the magnet there, there's a gap. So that's kind of the view that I would be looking at. I'd probably see us move to 46.44 before consolidating, and then potentially looking for another leg up. If we do start testing the lows of Friday, then you're looking at 4600 as a retest to the downside, if it happens. If we start breaking the structure to the upside, then you are definitely heading for 4700, and you'll probably be capped by there. It's not going to be easy. I think it's going to be pretty volatile and swinging wildly all over the place. But yeah, get down to the 15-minute, and that should help you see the early moves and get your structure in on the hour, and make sure you've got your lines drawn in, your levels drawn in, so you can see my charts ready for the day. I know exactly where to take profit, and I also know when we start breaking levels what the next target would be. Makes your life a little bit easier. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.